Fort Washington, December 21, 2009, right after the blizzard. Actually, the second day after the blizzard. And this is our street in Fort Washington, New York. We get so much snow. The snow was in my knees. And was really, really. Now we have around like um, half a meter snow around everything. And the next storm is planned for Christmas Day. Maybe uh, we get we get a little more snow by Christmas Day, and I hope that we can melt some of that snow before the next storm hits on Christmas Day. Okay, everybody.